Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the BACtrack Go Keychain Breathalyzer. Yes. Now this is a keychain, but it's also a breathalyzer. Okay, you can put this on your keychain. Yeah. Okay. Well, what a breathalyzer is, for those of you who don't know, is it is a device that you use to check to see your level of alcohol that's in your blood. Yeah, or in your breath, so to speak. Yeah, it is very accurate, this one. And what happened was I had to use this on a nephew of mine that was staying with me, and he needed to have a few rules set for him, and I kind of told him that there could not be any drinking while he was studying for his finals. I did not believe him that he was going to refrain from that because, you know, he was a college student and he wanted to do what he wanted to do, but I wanted to make sure that he, you know, stayed doing what he was supposed to do. So I needed to check him every day for about 2 weeks to make sure he was not drinking. This did it. I went out and got this. What happened was he failed a few times. It was what it was. We had our talk, but what it does is you breathe into it right here, this stem right here. It's very small. And you breathe into it and it tells you your blood alcohol level on this display here. And you can keep it with you all the time because it's on your keychain. It's very, very accurate. It really does the job. I mean, it's very small. It's only like 1.5 by 2.5 inches, you know. Yeah, what it does is you turn it on here like that, right? And it beeps and then it counts down, if you can see that. Yeah. Now this is it gets ready before you can use it. See, it's saying wait, and then it's now saying for you to blow, right? And that's when you start blowing in this part here, and it will tell you to blow and blow and blow until you are done blowing, and then it will give you your reading. So yeah, it works really well and it's very accurate, you know. So I think this is a good buy. Now these are not cheap. Okay, you have to pay for these. I mean, it's not crazy expensive, but I think more expensive than most would think. But hey, if you have to have it, you have to have it. It's for a necessary cause that could be very serious. So yeah, I like this one a lot. This was not the first one that I bought. I bought a larger one. It was kind of as big as probably a Snickers bar. It was thin but long, you know, and it was kind of cumbersome and I had to just keep it, like, you know, wherever. This was a lot better and more convenient. And this one was more accurate. You know, a lot of times when you blow into it and you try to get the reading, a lot of times on the other one, it would reading failed or something like that, you know. And we'd have to do it again and then again. This one, I didn't have that issue, not even once. You know, it gave you the reading right away. It's really accurate, really good. So the only thing with these, And I think it may be with several of the different breathalyzers. I'm not sure, but I know with this one, it can be thrown off by smoking. If anybody who smokes a lot, like, and say you smoke like a couple of cigarettes or something right before take this test, it can throw it off. It can register. It won't say you're drunk, but it'll register as if there is some alcohol in your system. Yeah, you'll probably still be way under the limit, but it will show that you may have some in there. So make sure you do it after, like, you haven't smoked for, say, couple, maybe an hour, you know, or brush your teeth. A lot of times you brush your teeth, or like not brush your teeth, but rinse your mouth out with mouthwash. It could show. So there are a few, you know, hiccups with it, but you just got to keep in mind for those things. So, but other than that, it's a really good buy. I like it a lot. I mean, I barely have to use it, but when I did have to use it, it worked for me. Yeah. All right. So that is the BACtrack Breathalyzer. Yeah. On the Go. The Go Keychain Breathalyzer. Yeah. I like this a lot. Okay, guys. I hope you use this information, and I will see you again next time. Okay. Bye-bye.